What is an order? In financial markets, order placement is a key part of the trading mechanism, where buyers and sellers express their willingness to transact securities at desired prices. Orders are submitted to exchanges, confirming the buyer or seller's intent to trade at a specific price. The two primary order types in trading are limit orders and market orders. A limit order is placed when a buyer or seller sets a specific price for a trade. The order is only executed when the market price reaches the set limit. A buy limit order is placed below the current market price, CMP, while a sell limit order is placed above the CMP. The key advantage of limit orders is that they guarantee a better price if executed. Providing buyers and sellers with the opportunity to trade at their preferred price, rather than the current market price, however, a limit order does not guarantee execution.
Right now, Calcine is offering a 7-day free trial on its premium research reports. Get access to data-driven market insights combined with an in-depth analysis on financial markets across the globe. Don't miss it. Subscribe for the free trial now.
The market must reach the desired price for the order to be filled. If the CMP does not reach the limit price by the close of the trading day, the order is cancelled. This means investors may miss out on trades if the price doesn't move as anticipated. Limit orders can be particularly useful in gap up or gap down scenarios, where market prices change significantly after hours. For example, an aftermarket order, AMO, placed the previous day may be filled at a better price if the market opens with a gap that surpasses the limit price. This can work to the advantage of buyers or sellers if the market opens more favorably than expected. While limit orders allow investors to control the price at which they transact, the risk is that the order may never be filled. If the market moves away from the limit price, potential opportunities can be missed. This uncertainty makes limit orders both a tool for better pricing and a source of missed opportunities if conditions don't align. For more related videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications.